यो तपाईले के गर्नुभयो? What you have done? What you have done? मैले केही गरिन. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. के तिमी फ्री छौ? Are you free? Are you free? छैन, मेरो काम छ. No, I have work. No, I have work. मलाई सत्य कुरा भन. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. मलाई भन कहाँ जाने. Tell me where to go. Tell me where to go. मेरो लुगा कहाँ छ? Where are my clothes? Where are my clothes? तिम्रो लुगा त्यहाँ छ. Your clothes are there. Your clothes are there. यो समय. This time. This time. अर्को पटक. Next time. Next time. उनी ठीक छिन्. She is all right. She is all right. बोल्नु अघि सोच्नुहोस्. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. मलाई अंग्रेजी बोल्न मन पर्छ. I like to speak English. I like to speak English. उनले मलाई भनेनन्. He didn't tell me. He didn't tell me. उनले किन भनेनन्? Why didn't he tell? Why didn't he tell? माफी माग. Let's apologize. Let's apologize. कृपया मलाई माफ गर्नुहोस्. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. अहिलेसम्म सबै ठीक थियो. Till now everything was fine. Till now everything was fine. थाहा छैन के भयो. Don't know what happened. Don't know what happened. कसको कल हो? Whose call is it? Whose call is it? दिदीको कल हो. Sister's call. Sister's call. मलाई भोक लाग्यो. I am hungry. I am hungry. मेरो पेट भरिएको छ. My stomach is full. My stomach is full. मेरो पेट दुख्छ. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. यो कहिले भयो? When did it happen? When did it happen? यो कहिले भयो? म मेरो जीवनमा केही गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to do something in my life. I want to do something in my life. तिमी के बन्न चाहन्छौ? What do you want to be? What do you want to be? म डाक्टर बन्न चाहन्छु. I want to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor. छिटो जाऊ. Go fast. Go fast. तर किन? But why? But why? उनको अवस्था खराब छ. His condition is bad. His condition is bad. उनीहरूलाई के भयो? What happened to them? What happened to them? मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. I don't know. आफ्नो सबै काम पूरा गर. Finish all your work. Finish all your work. मात्र एउटा काम बाँकी छ. There is only one work left. There is only one work left. सबै मलाई देखेर हाँस्छन्. Everyone laughs at me. Everyone laughs at me. मैले आफूलाई बदल्नु पर्छ. I have to change myself. I have to change myself. ऊ कहाँ गयो? Where did he go? Where did he go? ऊ बजार गएको छ. He has gone to the market. He has gone to the market. एक नजर राखौं. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. मलाई याद आयो. I recalled. I recalled. यसलाई कम गर. Reduce it. Reduce it. यसलाई कम गर. यो तपाईको लागि राम्रो हुनेछ. It will be better for you. It will be better for you. तिमी कसरी यति स्वार्थी हुन सक्छौ? How can you be so selfish? How can you be so selfish? आफ्नो जीवन बर्बाद नगर. Don't spoil your life. Don't spoil your life. मलाई एक उपकार गर. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. यसको कुनै अर्थ छैन. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. यसले के फरक पार्छ? How does it matter? How does it matter? मलाई चक्कर आयो. I got dizzy. I got dizzy. तिमी अहंकारी छौ. You are egoistic. You are egoistic. तिमी अब पहिले जस्तो छैनौ. You are no longer as before. You are no longer as before. मेरो काम गर. Get my work done. Get my work done. यस्तो अहंकार राम्रो होइन. Such arrogance is not good. Such arrogance is not good. आफ्नो जुत्ता लगाऊ. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. आफूलाई सम्हाल. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. तिम्रो डर जायज छ. Your fear is justified. Your fear is justified. त्यहाँ जान आवश्यक छैन. There is no need to go there. There is no need to go there. आफ्नो नङ नखाऊ वा नटोक. Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails.